Welcome back everybody. Today's video is just the last one in the saga of the solar panels and the inverter fault. As I said in the previous ones, I was lucky, and I still say that the Oval Renewables have been absolutely fantastic. They're the only company that I could get hold of that would touch this system. It's a Solaredge, it's a Solaredge system really, but a Solaredge inverter, and that went faulty, and it was still under warranty. It was 10-year-old, and I had a 12-year special warranty on it. And this is what I say: by when you buy anything, always make sure it's from a reputable company. Look at the reviews and everything. I did when I bought from Solaredge, and so did my brother, and it paid because I got Oval Renewables out, as you well know in the previous videos. They came out, two lads, absolutely smashing lads. They came, tested it, contacted Solaredge on their installer helpline, which I couldn't do, run through a load of tests, sent them pictures. Yeah, it's faulty, we'll issue another one out. The next step was I got an email from Solaredge. They'd dispatched one from wherever it was coming from, and it was going to Oval Renewables. I forwarded the emails on to Jess at Oval Renewables. She acknowledged back that yeah, we'll wait for it, we'll let you know when it arrives here. And believe it or not, this is February I think it's the 14th. Yeah, 14th. It's Valentine's Day. And of course, I had a phone call yesterday from Oval Renewables stating that the inverter had arrived, landed on their doorstep, and they said, when can we come and install it? And I said, well, anytime really. What about tomorrow? I said, it's fine. What time? Anytime. 9 o'clock. Those two lads were here bang on 9 o'clock. And as I say, to find that sort of being accountable to your customers on reliability, professionalism, and everything that you want when you're purchasing something, they have it all. They came, installed it, and as you can see, it's there. I'm now producing electricity again. For me, free electricity, and at the moment I think it's round about just over a kilowatt per hour. It's pretty good because I've not been receiving anything since before Christmas. Now I'll show you the inverter. There's no screen on it, it's all done through the app. It's very efficient. I had the app running before, but it wasn't as responsive as what it is now. I mean, it's pretty good now. The lads finished up, they were here probably about 2.5 hours, just over. Take the old one down, they took that away, it was no good, and which I was thankful of really. And lo and behold, went through one or two things for me, lights on it and what you're looking for, and that's it. So I'm in the hands now of Oval Renewables, and if I get any more problems, I will ring them, because I feel, you know, the customer care is second to none really. And really I've found from the other company that went bust that originally installed it, my brother's got the same system as me, except he's 11 panels, but same inverter, same warranty and everything, because he had his installed a couple of months before me, and I was passed on to the company then that installed these, which I think were somewhat solar or somewhat solar improvements or somewhat. So at the end of the day, they're long since gone. And I'm just thankful that I stumbled across this company, and he's got, as I say, he's got a lot of videos on YouTube. Right, I'll take you over to inverter and I'll just show you the difference. Okay, right, as you can see from the last video, this is remarkably smaller. There's no screen on it. You've got lights underneath there, switches. You toggle switch for on and off, and then push it right in the center if it's on, to the right it's off, and if you push it all the way to the left, just flick it all the way to the left, it starts cycling for the Wi-Fi. And the lights, as long as I've got a green light on there, I'm happy. and I've got a little red light now up on the, I don't know if you can see it, it's flashing, which means it's producing, and last time I checked it was producing round about 1.4 actually. I mean, it's quite bright out there today, but so I'm over the moon with it. They've neatened up the cabling for me, so as you can see it's very, very neat. The aerial's over the other side, as you can see at the top there. That's the aerial there. We're a bit blurred there. That's the aerial there. Okay, so it was on this side, on the right side. So all in all, happy. Thanks to Oval Renewables. As I say, it's only a short video. I've had people saying, you know, commenting saying you're lucky if you find a honest and reliable renewable company, but I've actually found one. Credit to lads there. So as I always say, like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, let me know how you've got on, if you've had problems with your solar system, and you know, what help you've had and any struggles you've trying to find somebody to come and repair the system. They don't do just solar systems. They do all plug-in charging points, recyclable energy batteries. They do a host of things, so it's not just that, solar systems. So thumbs up, like and subscribe, and as I always say, until next time, you be safe and be careful, and bye for now. Bye.